So I want you to try this. I want him to try this. What's this?
Sabaw.
Sabaw.
No.
Sabaw. Hi guys, good morning. Still good morning, Han. What time is it right now? We just came in from church and we sneaked some veggies for our sabaw for lunch. Still 10:59, almost 11.
Like I said, almost 11.
I didn't hear you. I'm deaf.
So am I.
So am I. So at this time, prepare tayo ng lunch. Kasi ang gastos na kumain sa labas. Kaya kain-kain tayo sa loob. So we still have raw meat here. My bad. Because I didn't put this hand while we are in church. So it's still very frozen. Frozen. So we have to soak it. Our schedule till 3 p.m.
Yes, we have that.
So it's okay for late lunch. So I still have to marinate this, make sabaw, make some adobo for you because I know you like adobo. And I get some lemoncito and some sili, the spicy chili hand for sauce because Daniel loves adobo very much. He likes to dip it in the soy sauce with lemoncito. And we eat more rice. So good job! Thank you for refilling my lab.
Welcome, honey. I even washed it out after I drank out of it.
Yeah, because it's almost. That's why you drink from the pitcher. It's okay. We're only two sharing, right? So, okay guys, while waiting for our meat to get soft. So, gas-hugas muna tayo ng plato. Uy, very dirty here. Hindi man magugas-hugas ang iba dito. You're not washing dishes for me, love.
No, I is not.
See guys, so he's not going. So I have no choice but to love him. Joke. Oh, ganito tayo ka-sexy, magugas-hugas. Right, baby? Oh, you want me to wear bikini?
Yes.
From Shopee.
Right now.
No bikini, just for picture. So, Han. So, I want you to try this. I want him to try this. What's this?
Sabaw.
Sabaw.
No.
Sabaw. Palia, the one that has bitter.
This is a bitter one.
Yeah,
The
bitter
one. I just
taste.
can't think of the name.
Palia.
No, it's not something you shove up here.
Palaya. In Tagalog, palia in Bisaya, whatever. Okay, so I will try this tomorrow morning because we don't have egg. So we have there. You call this scallion, Sunny? This is scallion?
This is scallion.
I don't know. Some people in vlog scallion. This is the hunan for us. The hunan, of course, it has dahon. And I always love native pichay for sabaw. Only 16 peso, honey. And this is only 5. And we have our ginger. We have gabi that you always like, that you said it's like potato.
It tastes like potato.
And we have jalapeno for you. And some chili and limoncito because Daniel likes it for the sauce. So I will make it very spicy for him. So that he doesn't like to eat it. Joke. Okay guys, so prepare na yung mga ingredients natin. So all I Ito for sabaw. So, lagay na natin dyan. For sabaw, lagay na rin lahat ng ano. And put some. Para sa adobo natin, marinated na po. And so, we'll bring it there to our kitchen, very far away. Ito yung view ko, guys, while cooking. Put this on 5. And lagyan natin ng magic sarap. Magic sarap. Salt. And vinegar. So, alis naman tayo. Maglalakad tayo ng malayo. Mabakang muna tayo bago tayo makakain. Joke. Excuse me!
No.
So, lagyan lang natin ng vinegar para mawala yung lansa at maging malasa. Just a little bit. And we cover it with our rice cooker cover. So, I don't know where they put the real cover of the too big. Smells butter. And our soup. Okay guys, ito na yung adobo natin. Hintayin na lang natin itong maluto dahil 30 nakagutom guys. Gutom na mga bitok natin. Ang hina ng apoy. Who smashed my rice here? Oh, kalamit na dyan ka. Oh.
Do summary.
For our lunch. Sumptuous lunch. We have the sabaw, pork sabaw. Guys, I hope you like it. But it's fine. We have the soy sauce. We have here the adobo. All of you I made because we're so hungry na. Almost 1 p.m. And we have some dragon fruit left this morning from our breakfast. So it's time to eat and it's your turn to pray.
My turn? No, it's your turn. Always your turn.
Okay, let's eat now lunch, guys. And get to pray. Sabaw, you wash your hands.
Yes, I wash my hands.
This is for
Right there.
Are you sorry, this? Are you going to get
No.
This is really nice for both.
Yes, yes, we want to go. No, I like cheese.
Why?
I like cheese.
Like, sorry.
It's not like
This is like...
I like it. I like it.
No, I like it. Let me do that. Okay?
No.
You want to be nice, and then you want to see this is back. I think we're going to make it. Please.
No, no, no.
Please, put it. Like, it's very, you should use the back of the organ. It's really nice for the whole. I'm sorry, and then you want to try one more. It's like
Really need that.
try that part.
You like it.
Like, the other part. More like, you like an apple. Maybe it's very good. You want it up. This.
I told you.
Give it to me.
Give it to you.
Camera. So, how is it, honey?
Very lamila loves.
Very lami lunch. You want me to prepare more?
Yes. Cook more. Now.
No. Okay, guys. At that's all for our vlog today, Sunday. And don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, Joanne and Dan Life Vlog.